Hello everyone and welcome back to ZakLiT educational channel. So we are going to do the mega review, that is the proper review of the examination UGC NET Environmental Science subject which was conducted on 15th of June 2023. So how was the paper, and we will know some of the memory based questions and what is the review from the candidates, those who have appeared for this exam. We will know all these things. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So first we will know from the candidates view what are their review. So these are taken from the Telegram and our YouTube channels review given by our candidates, those who have appeared for this paper. And most importantly, first we will look into the poll which was conducted in our Telegram group Learn for the Environment group, where 531 people have given the votes, and according to the majority, that is 45% students, they said that both the papers were of moderate level. And here 11% people say that paper 1 easy, paper 2 was moderate, and 30% people they said that both papers were difficult. So from the other views we will try to know how was the paper. So other students, maximum students, those who have given the views I have taken here. So paper 2 moderate tha. Exam was as expected, easy compared to the last time given by one of the candidates. Paper 1 was moderate. Paper 2 is easy compared to last time. Again paper 2 easy compared to last time. One of the candidates is telling both papers were moderate level. Paper was moderate level. Again moderate level people are telling. Compared to previous year, this time paper was easy. So these also are said by the candidates. So next is thank you, exam अच्छा हुआ है, आपके दिए हुए daily quizzes and last 4 mocks were very helpful. Waiting for the result. So the quizzes and last 4 mocks also played a very important role. This time ZakLiT mock test and quizzes helped. And here I would like to tell you that majority told in the poll that both the papers were moderate. But here 30% also said that both the papers were difficult. So from my experience, past experience of teaching, actually those who have already prepared from the last 3 or 4 cycles, they were telling that both the papers were moderate. The new candidates, those who appeared for the first or the second time, they were telling that both the papers were difficult, because for them the preparation was not much like the previous candidates, those who have already appeared. So this was the thing, and from all the comments I would like to give a personal view that pattern was same almost, and previous choice question many were repeated also, but with depth. So this was not that exact questions were asked, exact concept was asked, in-depth questions were asked. So my view will be also that the paper was moderate level. It was not that easy and it was not that difficult also. So now we will know some more analysis which we will do in this video. Now we are coming to the memory based question. So there were several questions given by the candidates, those who appeared in this exam. Thanks to each one of you helping the ZakLiT team. So here the questions which I will be telling you. Reduced inequalities is told in which sustainable development goals? It was under SDG 10. Some of you were confused between SDG 5. SDG 5 tells about gender equality, not reduced inequality. SDG we have discussed, very frequently asked question. Already we discussed in the rapid revision. One question was there, nuclear disaster option, Chernobyl or Fukushima. It is Fukushima Daiichi disaster in Japan. It is one of the nuclear disaster, very devastating one. One question was match the different acts such as Biodiversity Act, which was in 2002, Environmental Protection Act 1986. So like that a question was there, match the following. Again a question was repeated from the last years, that is Green Belt movement by Wangari Maathai. Yes, Wangari Maathai in Kenya, she led this movement, Green Belt movement, where she empowered women by the process of planting of trees. Very noble work. And ecological succession question was there, who gave the term first, and it was by Ragnar Holt. National parks of the northeastern states were given. We have to choose correctly. Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim. Geological timescale question was there. Bioremediation was there. Denitrification bacteria name was asked. greenhouse gas in sequential manner, which we already have done several times in our quizzes. chi-square test, mean median mode question was there. Some people were telling chi-square test, more than one question was also asked. Air pollution instrument name was asked. Gas bubble disease was asked. For some of you, it will be the first time you will be listening to this term. Gas bubble disease is found in fishes. Those who are exposed to water super saturated with natural gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide or nitrogen. So this is the disease which is found in fishes. And the question was 𝐸𝐵𝐷𝐷𝐿ite, what kind of mineral? That is 𝐸𝐵𝐷𝐷𝐷𝐿ite is a clay mineral which is an example of phyllosilicate. Maybe the composition was asked, I don't know exactly. So its chemical formula is this one, KH3O, aluminium, magnesium, iron, silicon. So mostly it is phyllosilicate mineral, clay mineral. 𝐸𝐵𝐷𝐷𝐿ite question from environmental geology was asked. Acid rain cause elements name. So we all know oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. Very, very important questions. Acid rain and its chemical reaction. It was already discussed. NAPCC, National Action Plan for Climate Change, which was in the year 2008, which is given, and under which 8 missions are there, which is also very, very important. These questions came. So there are several questions also given in our Telegram group. If you want to know what were the questions and you want to check whether you have done correctly or not, you can visit our Telegram page and you can find them there. Next is data interpretation thing. So here this is a major thing which is coming from the students, and we will know how the view is about the data interpretation for paper 1. DI was complete. We need to solve X to find the total number of employee. Then using X, we have to convert the percentage value and find the employees traveling from bus and metro. Some question was there related to bus and metro, number of employees. It was lengthy though. So the question was lengthy though, but it was complete because some of the students were telling maybe it was incomplete. Next, one of the candidates is telling data interpretation questions are time taking. So it was consuming time to get the correct answer, but I got all answer correct. So congratulations to you. Overall paper 1 is difficult and time consuming. Next is DI, 4 to 5 answer is in given choice. One answer didn't meet, maybe he or she was not able to make it. It took 15 to 20 minutes in DI. So you can see time consuming it was. And here also some of the review from the data interpretation coming here. मेरा भी DI नहीं बना, so this person was not able to solve the DI. Same with other person, मेरा भी solve नहीं हुआ. NTA को कोई बताए कि हम environmental science वाले हैं, maths वाला नहीं है. It is a very sarcastic comment. So here DI हो गया था solve. I could correctly solve 4 to 5, though I struggled for 15 minutes to understand. So here the question DI was not that direct, not that simple, because we have discussed in the last minute tips for the examination that 1 or 2 questions in DI will be very, very mind blowing. Yes, if we are consuming more time in attempting those, then we may lead to lose some marks in the paper 1, which can affect our result. And now results will favor whom? Who will be benefited, who will be not benefited from the analysis so far by the ZakLiT. So here new applicants, they found the paper a bit difficult because they are not practiced those questions which came in the last year, and due to the experienced candidates, those who have already appearing, previous year's questions were repeated in some other way, twisted form or in the depth form. So it was helpful for the experienced people. But new applicants, those who have already read the previous year's questions and solved very, very deeply, they will be also benefited. It's not that they will not be benefited, but experienced, all the people, those who have appeared earlier also, they will be benefited much. And DI and paper 1 will play the important role. Yes, as the DI is getting mixed reaction, it will be the game changer. Yes, if you have done the DI correctly, or if you have not consumed more time in paper 1 in the DI section, then your marks will be on top as per your expectation. So this is the thing, that is paper 1 DI will play important role, because your paper 2 it is based on your knowledge, but if you are done well in the DI and paper 1, it will help you to achieve your goal. So we will be getting the expected cutoff marks, many people are asking, but I can't expect without looking into the question paper. So let the NTA release the answer sheet, that is your response sheet. After that I will be able to analyze, and then only I can tell what will be the expected cutoff. So till then we have to wait. So have patience, keep praying for the best result, don't worry, and keep smiling. So see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get all further updates. Take care and believe in yourself.